Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we will learn about how to make a plot within the R programming. The compiler we are using is the RStudio. So RStudio offers us a simple function that is simply called as the plot. You can just directly write the plot, and it is a specialized function for to draw the plots. And the points on which you want to make a plot must be inserted inside these parameter insertion brackets. Okay, these are the parameter insertion brackets, so you can give the points which needed to be plotted. Okay, so now we need to run it out and we will see that either yes, we made our plot. On right hand side you can see my cursor, its x-axis is 1 and y is 3. Okay, so it is plotted. Okay, now if you want to plot multiple points, okay, this is a single point, so if you want to plot multiple points, then you need to insert two brackets like this and C functions, which is used for to combine these elements of the list components. Okay, so here we will write 4 comma 5 and here we can write 6 comma 7. Okay, so this C combined 4 comma 5 and this one 6 comma 7. Now plot will be in first point is 4 comma 6 and second point is 5 comma 7. So now we will run it out, we will see. Okay, here you can see that our first point is 4 and 6, 4 and 6, and the next point is 5 and 7. As you can see, the upper right corner is representing 5 comma 7 and the lower left one is representing 4 comma 6. Now if we want to make there like a mark some bit big or like that, so we can write CEX is equal to 1 and it can make it a little bit big. Okay, or 2. Okay, 1 is default point, so we can go for 2. Now you can see that these plot marks will become a bit big. Okay, now if we want to change their what's called as the if you want to change their marks, okay, entirely, like then we can write PCH is equal to 22. Okay, so what it will give us, now you can see that they have changed to the square one rather than the circular one. Now we can go for like 4, PCH is equal to 4 and it will represent another thing. This is for cross, and 5 is for diamond shape, and 6 is for inverted diamond inverted triangle, and 7 is for these cross check boxes. So in this way we can go for our what's called as the designs of the plots. Okay, now if we want to plot multiple points, okay, then we can write the same things, or we just need to change the we can insert directly here like 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma 12 comma 19, and here it's 4 5 8 12 and 19, and here it must be like 23. Okay, so there must be equal points because this is x-axis and this is y correspondent point. 4 comma 6, 5 comma 7, 8 comma 9, 12 comma 10 and 19 comma 23. Okay, now we will run it out. Now we can see that we have drawn a lot of points. Okay, now if you want to change the color, then Can we go for like red? Yes, we can go for red. Or I think it is just COL, okay, not the full color, it is just the COL, okay. So now you can see that our color is changed. We can even change it to green. So now it is changed to green, okay. So in this way we can make our plot. So hopefully you got a little bit concept regarding how to plot certain vectors on the R programming and in RStudio. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.